You may be wondering why I have a Versace sneaker in my hand. I'm going to tell you in this video the power of branding. YouTube, this Versace sneaker cost $1,300 for a pair. I guarantee you 100%, let's get the detail. Pretty nice sneaker. Most wouldn't buy for $1,300. Pretty nice sneaker. I guarantee you this sneaker costs under 20 bucks to make. So the ROI at Versace's brand is over 100% each time an item is bought. They hardly ever have to market and spend big budgets on marketing because they've marketed already to the world. They've done that. Everyone knows who they are. Everyone knows of the brand Versace. Most should. But the goal that I'm giving in this video is if you're doing drop shipping and wanting to build an e-commerce brand online or any brand, personal brand, anything, you need to provide mass content to the world with ads, paid ads, organic traffic, meaning you're posting organic content every single day at scale. And you also need, if you're doing like a clothing brand or personal brands, you will need other influencers to collaborate and share your content. Because if you have other people vouching for you, like the Versace brand does, they have vouchers. Every rapper, every celebrity in this brand, they're in it. So you need eyeballs on those celebrities to build your brand. Once you've established a reputable brand, no one's going to question from buying from you ever. People are going to organically want your merchandise. They're going to want it. Look at Supreme. Just sold for $2 billion to Vans. They have a drop. They don't advertise the drop. Most people don't know because it's so limited. It's very, very limited. They don't have to advertise much. They just, hey, we're dropping. Boom. Sites Live sold out in minutes because they've built a multi-billion-dollar brand. Guys, get on your branding in 2021. The era of just sourcing and selling and doing cheap things like that, it doesn't exist anymore. Brand in 2021. Enter the $10,000 giveaway by liking this video, commenting down below what you think about this video. Let me know what your thoughts on branding is. Enter the $10,000 giveaway. Let's get it. Let's crush 2021.